Expand Web API project, expand controller and open account controller, and locate for register method. Make it HTTP post and change its return type as HTTP response message. Right-click on Application User and go to Definition or press F12 from keyboard. Here, notice that property of first name and last name has been defined. Go to Register Binding Model class and add first name and last name property. Now, make some change in register method. Now, right-click on Solution and go to Properties, click on Multiple Startup Projects and change Action as start of these two projects, and click OK. Open MVC account controller and add some code and register HTTP post method for communicate with Web API. Go to the property of Web API, click on Web and copy the project URL and paste it here. Now, point to the API account. Now, expand MVC project, expand views, expand account, and open register.cshtml file. Here write the JavaScript Ajax code to communicate with controller and make save it. Just click on Start or press F5 key from keyboard. Now, here provide the information in all fields and hit on Register button. Registration successfully saved. Now, open SQL Server 2014 Management Studio. Here notice that user info has been created in database.